Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Mexican salsa. First, select your fresh ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of ripe tomatoes, 2 to 3 serrano or jalapeno chilies, and 2 cloves of garlic. Place these on a hot comal or cast iron skillet. Roast them over medium-high heat, turning occasionally, until they are nicely charred and softened. This step is crucial for developing that authentic, smoky flavor profile that makes this salsa so delicious. Once your vegetables are perfectly roasted, carefully transfer them to a molcajit or a blender. If using a blender, add about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro and a generous pinch of salt. Pulse the mixture a few times, being careful not to overblend. We're aiming for a chunky, rustic texture, not a smooth puree. This ensures every bite has a delightful mix of flavors and textures, truly enhancing the salsa experience. Now it's time for the final adjustments. Taste your freshly made salsa and add more salt if needed. A small squeeze of fresh lime juice can brighten the flavors beautifully. Once seasoned to your liking, let the salsa rest for at least 15 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together, creating a more harmonious and delicious result. Serve it fresh with warm tortilla chips or as a vibrant accompaniment to your favorite Mexican meals. To keep your delicious homemade salsa fresh, store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will maintain its vibrant flavor and quality for up to 5 days, making it perfect for enjoying throughout the week. This salsa is incredibly versatile, enhancing everything from tacos to eggs. Remember, for easy meal prep and to keep your salsa fresh, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals. Enjoy your authentic Mexican salsa.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.